We're talking about Rampage. Watch the video, and why is this the flagship speaker for years? Coming up soon. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Hit that like button right now, leave a comment, then leave another one, and share this out. Okay, Big Jeff is here. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing B2 Audio, B2 Audio USA, and BigJeffAudio.com, talking about the Rampage8. Kind of the flagship, because this thing's been around for a while. There was one version, and I think it was just the change of the dust cap and that, but the motor and everything else is the same. Yes, this is $399.95 pre-tariff, but this is the flagship, and there's been plenty of these sold. I mean, in literally the thousands over the years. RMS 1K, max 2K, probably would take more than that. 2-inch voice coil, sensitivity of 87.2, 300 ounce magnet, this little bad boy, and an FS of 37.5. Why is this thing the flagship of B2 Audio? Well, it goes Riot, Rage, Rage XL, Rampage, then the X2C hand-built subwoofers. So the Rampage is up there. This is for SPL guys. I've seen some big numbers done in some really small boxes, especially in trucks. No, this is not my knife. I do have a follower who made funny about my straight edge and cut my finger last time. I'm using Ben's, but I'm waiting for the guy to say he's going to send me one. All right, let's take a look at this thing. Just like we talked about, 10 hertz to 500 hertz, 2-inch voice coil. This particular one is a dual 2 ohm. I think we're out of the dual 1 ohms right now, which they'll be on the next container, but there's plenty of dual 2s. Just have to wire it up differently to use a different amp. 300 ounce magnet, mounting depth 5.91, baffle cutout. This is a 7.23. There's about as much cone area as you're gonna get. FS of 37.5. Sealed, 0.3, tiny. Ported compact, 0.5. Regular ported, basically 1 cube. So pretty efficient and can work in multiple places.
That's great, great.
But even this little 8-inch, I think, is double or triple boxed. We're gonna check right now. Yep, triple boxed. Okay. It's got a B2 Audio USA card in there. All right, and then packaging really nice up top to protect that surround. And this bad boy, oh, that's a beast. And it's funny because the Rampage 6, which we sold through so quickly, didn't think it was going to sell, basically is this thing just in a 6-inch. Oh yeah, that thing is just a tank. All right, well, first couple things let's take a look at. I'll turn on the Big Jeff cam. You got that carbon fiber dust cap and cone. You got a high surround. You have push terminals with double tinsel leads. High temp coil. Let's turn on the up close and personal. So that is a high temp. You got that red spider, dual tinsel leads. I mean, this thing is just like a tank. Multiple vents for porting. Let's go all the way up there. All the way up to the dust cap. You can see that's real carbon fiber all the way up in there. Yeah, there's a cylinder wall for the driver. B2 Audio branding, even the B2 Audio on the chassis of this thing. And then the spider is glued and screwed down. You can see a little bit of excess glue right there from the factory. Just a little bit squishing out, so you know it's good. Just a beautiful speaker. Pretty tight, and it is dual voice coil. It's just a fat ass. I mean, because you also have that cutout. I mean, you have all this covered. There is a rubber gasket on these. Really cool. Let me get the Big Jeff cam here. All right, there we go. Just a beautiful woofer. Hands down, this thing has been available and working for years. So it's a proven model. This is MB, if you ever guys have MB Enclosure, calls it one of his kings. It's just a great speaker and has a tremendous amount of output. $399, you might think is a little expensive. B2 Audio's quality. I'll tell you what, since we've been selling it, there's not really many returns. A lot of times it's just user error, but all the product is top notch. So next thing to do with this is get it on the old flexor tester thingy. Yeah, do that! And get this thing moving to see what the excursion is and see how it moves under some power. So I'm gonna hook it up to a 3,000 watt Brazilian amp, and we're gonna run some test tones. I'm gonna use, which we will have them soon, the Basshead Garage wireless remote.
I want one of those.
Which is charging right now. We are the mastership or whatever for the US with these. He has, coming from Croatia, these for like 200 bucks, which is great. And then, works really good. We're gonna have an SPL dash like suction cup meter, and then the watt and volt meter. So really cool from there. Parts were coming in, waiting for him to assemble them and then send them out. So just be a couple weeks from this video. Okay, so let me get this thing on there and hooked up, and then we're gonna have some fun with it. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. It's probably gonna go as I'm hooking this up.
You know it, and we know it.
Okay.
Big Jeff Audio, baby. Where you go from big?
Bam! We're back. Okay, so we got it in the flex tester thingamajigger here, and we have it hooked up to a Martz Digital 3K Brazilian amp. I am going to use my trusty SMD IMSG signal generator and the new Basshead Garage wireless remote, and we're going to get this thing moving. So first thing I want to do is turn everything on. Hold on. There we go. There we go. So right now we're about 19.5 hertz. And we're gonna slowly warm this thing up. I love this. Okay, so we already see this thing is moving. Oh yeah, look at this thing. I mean, look at the movement on that. Okay, so I know it looks weird, especially with the frames per second on the cameras, but as we adjust the hertz, okay, we're right at 30. The FS on this was 37. And then we're gonna go down to like, oh yeah, this thing is just jumping. Okay, I'm at 20 hertz right now. Okay, and you can see this thing just cranking. Look at that. The excursion's incredible. I need to look up what the actual X-Max is, but now, underneath, I'm feeling a tremendous amount of air the way the ports are designed. And I can feel the warm air coming out. I mean, this thing is doing what it's supposed to do, venting this. Okay, so could hook up the watt meter to see how much actual power to it, but I kind of gauge off this amp. This thing eats up every bit of 1,000 plus, no problem at all. Okay, let's get this thing. Oh man, look at that thing move. That is crazy. All right, turn on the Big Jeff cam. really hard to even. This thing's moving so fast. Okay, so we're at 28, 32, 46. Imagine this in an enclosure. I mean, right now this whole stand is just, it's going to start jumping. This whole stand is moving. 23 hertz, 20 hertz. Look at that, holy cow. I mean, we're over a half an inch or more. And this will take more. Okay, this is why this little beast is the king flagship. What it is, a Rampage series SPL woofer. Very efficient. And I've seen some other 8s that even say they'll take more than 1,000 watts. This thing will take more than 1,000, but it's efficient. 1,000 watts has this thing jumping. And you're talking about 0.3 in a sealed and just under a cube in a vented. Let's give one more look here. I'm going to adjust the frequencies. And I'm really going to I'm going to heat this bad boy up. Get that top view again. There you go. Okay, we are down at 16 hertz. I'm going to give it some more power. That thing is just, that's just crazy. 20 hertz, 25 hertz. Okay, and you can see this right here is an awesome, I can't wait to use it here in a couple weeks. Under 200 bucks. I don't know, because there's still going to be a tariff to Croatia. Might be a few bucks more, but I was told that the other company that makes these, I'm not going to say the name, due to those tariff raises and coming from China, he's either not going to be selling them or they're going to be ridiculously expensive. But these couldn't come at a perfect time. This is the Rampage8, doing that flex test with an unboxing. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Leave some comments or questions, and then we're starting back up our Car Audio 101, basically where we're gonna do normal questions and also comments in it, five of each, and we'll start doing those weekly. And I would love to give you a shout out. Tell me what you think. Was that impressive or not? Why do you think B2 Audio has had just an incredible name for years, even still popular now, and it was basically out of the US for a couple of years? Man, that's awesome. Rampage8 right here, $399.95 pre-tariff price. They sell like crazy, they always have. And we got plenty more coming. There's 2 versions. We still have some of the original version, and we have the version 2. Big difference is the dust cap and that. This thing was awesome. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, signing off.